The investigations of former President Donald Trump and his company are entering a serious new phase now. CBS News has learned that one of those probes is bringing evidence to a new grand jury, which could potentially lead to criminal charges. Now, the former president calls the investigation purely political, driven by highly partisan Democrat prosecutors. CBS News legal analyst Rikki Klieman joins us to discuss. Good morning to you, Rikki. So how big a deal is this latest? How big a deal is this latest development? And should Donald Trump be worried? He doesn't sound like he is.
Yes, it is a big deal, and yes, Donald Trump should be very worried. Cy Vance, the district attorney, has investigated this case with a team of prosecutors, investigators, forensic accountants for 2 years. For him to go to the next step of impaneling a special grand jury really means that they are looking at a possible prosecution. The question is of who or what. The Trump Organization, Donald Trump himself, his children, or Alan Weisselberg. We need to talk a little about Alan Weisselberg. He holds the keys to the kingdom. He is the chief financial officer, the treasurer. There is no transaction financially that did not go through Alan Weisselberg. How did this all begin? Michael Cohen testified in Congress, and he said that values of properties were inflated in order to get loans, deflated in order to pay taxes. So what would the DA be looking at? Possible charges of bank fraud, insurance fraud, tax fraud. This is a problem for Donald Trump if Alan Weisselberg becomes a witness against him.
So what is his defense at this point?
His defense ultimately is, I did what I was told. My accountants looked at it. My banks looked at it. My financial people looked at it. And I signed the documents. And others signed the documents. I never had any intent to break any law. That's always the defense, Gayle, in cases like this.
All right, Rikki Klieman, thank you. Good to see you.